In this video, I'm going to show you how to change currency on Monday.com. So as you can see here on my screen, I am right here on my to-do list board. So here I have three groups. So right from this first group, we just need to add another column for our currency. So we will just click the plus icon and let's type here in the search bar numbers. So this one, let's click this. So right here, we can add any numbers, like let's say, for example, 100. Let's add another one. Let's do here, let's add another one for, let's say, around 200. So to change the currency or to add a currency, we need to click the three dots and then click settings and then customize numbers column. So once we hit that, we are heading to this option where you can choose what currency do you want. Is it dollar or any other? If you don't have the currency that is stated in here, you could also type your own. So for now, I will just use this USD currency for an example. So as you can see, it is already set. So once we add another item, say item 3, then we add another number like 500, it will automatically add the currency that we have chose. So that's about it. That's how you change currency on Monday.com. So if you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.